Alright guys, what's going on? So for today's video, we're going to be installing a catch can. I've been needing to do one probably since after the cam, or honestly even before, just the amount of blow by that the supercharger gets. I didn't buy no Mighty Mouse or all the other brands. It's just crazy to me to think that those catch cans are like $500-$600. So this is one from Amazon. It's like a universal. I've seen a couple other people use them and they say they work perfectly fine. So I'm gonna see where I can mount it at, show y'all guys, how it needs to be ran and all that kind of stuff. And, we'll see how it goes. See how much blow by I'm actually getting. But this one's pretty cool. It's got like this little dipstick so I can see like how much is in it without having to take off the full, bottom part of it. But let's go ahead and get this install in. All right, so this is how I have it. I just have it sideways. And if you get this one, the bracket is gonna look different. I cut mine. It's gonna have like a little 90 edge on it. And I just rounded out the other side. But where I'm gonna put it at is gonna sit. It's gonna sit right there. And I'm gonna try to push it down as low as it'll go so to be able to clear it. But yeah, I'll still be able to get to it like that. And it's not a super bad location. It's really not a lot of other places. Maybe if I had a different bracket, I can mount it differently, but it'll be all right. I'll be able to work with it over there. Okay guys, so to be able to release your belt, you have this tensioner. So I just take my ratchet, get it to fit in there like this, and then pull to the left, and it'll release the tension. It's hard to do it with one hand, but once you pull it back, you'll see that it will move, and then it'll release the pressure off of the belt. So, yep. All right, so you're gonna want to take this little piece off. It just goes in just like this at the little part right here that looks brown on mine, and then the one that goes to the actual supercharger. So just like that. It's got these little pushing clips that you just push down on, and then you have to pull it just to get it to come out. The one on the bottom is a little bit harder to get to, so yep, I had to take the belt off of mine to be able to get to it. But yep, that's what you want to do. So this is how I have mine ran. I'm gonna zip tie all this down, but I just figured I'd show it while it's kind of loose so I can get a good demonstration. So coming from the driver's side, I got at the back of the valve cover, you're gonna come off of there, go down to a T to the intake. Don't mind the one clamp, I'm gonna clamp the rest of them. Come off the T to the intake, go over across to the out. And then for the in, you come back over, go to the passenger side of the valve cover, T here, T there, go down to the bottom stem right there. And then that's pretty much it. It's not really a bad install. Catch can is gonna help, keep stuff cleaner. Not a lot of blow by. Just making sure your motor is as healthy as possible and help it last longer over time. So that was installing the catch can. Shows that you don't have to go out and spend hundreds of dollars. You can just get a decent catch can like this. It's gonna do the same thing. It's got this little dipstick on it. I'll just twist off that dipstick, see how much is on it. If it gets full, just take it out. But I got these brass fittings from Amazon. They're 3/8. The hose is 3/8. So yeah, I'm gonna tie this down, show what it looks like, start the car, let it run a little bit, just see how it does, and that's pretty much it for the install. All right guys, don't make the rookie mistake that I did. Had a vacuum leak, and you gotta get these caps to close off the other the other end from this piece that you take off. So once you take off that piece, you know, something has to go there or it's gonna have vacuum leak. Come on, Josh. Yeah, I didn't think about that, so I started up. It was like big cam in there, you know, barely want to stay on cam. And I was like, yeah, something not right. So we're gonna close that up, start it, see how it does, and it should be good from there. All right, guys, so that's what it should look like. Had to take the belt off once again, but that's all I was saying. Once the belt looks, you know, once it comes off, you know, this sort of look like. So you just pull it back that way, you know, pull the tension, and then, you know, you just slip it back on. All right, guys, so this is how it's supposed to sound. Seems to be running pretty good now. So I'm gonna check the catch can probably, I usually drive it like once a week, so I'll probably check it after a couple times of me driving, see if it has anything in there. So I'll let y'all guys know. I appreciate y'all guys for watching, and stop buying those expensive catch cans. This is all you need. All right, guys, so part 2 of the video. I'm about to get rid of these, sorry, I don't want to say sorry, but these quiet mufflers. So we're about to pull up to the exhaust shop here in a minute. So hopefully he can get me in today. So let's see what he says. All right, so the mufflers are still on the car. I went to the exhaust shop that I usually go to. He said he didn't have enough time, so I didn't get the mufflers taken off. So I went and got these. I was just gonna send it and do dumps, but I have no cross member that goes underneath the car, so couldn't do these either. So I just rode to the meet that I went to last night, pretty much on this current setup. So hopefully soon I'll just go to the exhaust shop I usually go to later or earlier in the day, and we're gonna work something out. All right, guys, we at this night meet. It's super deep. We ain't even got in yet, but this car is all on the road trying to get in here. Yeah, buddy, he got the toughest car to meet so far. But yeah, we'll see though what it's looking like when we get in. Mustang lost it. Dang.
No, he parked.
Oh, okay.
You ain't even trying to get beside him.
Nah, I'm not playing with him. Not playing. Not playing with him. I don't even want to make it look like I want to run. Nah, I'm good. I'm good. I want him to hit it one time though. Whoa. Okay, I think it's about to bully me. Cars coming here.